And it is time once again for another Sneaker Mystery Box Friday episode, guys. This box is another expensive mystery box, and it's going to be $1,075 from Soul Supremacy, so you guys already know it's going to be crazy. We've been having some extremely good luck with the mystery boxes recently, so I'm hoping that we can continue to keep it up to date. And I'm going to be opening it up real quick, but before I do, I want to give a shout out to the sponsor of today's video, Rose Gold and Black. Rose Gold and Black is my go-to jewelry company, guys. I'm actually rocking one of their newest pieces over here today. It's a gunmetal bar necklace. I know it's a little bit hard to see against that gray, but I like that minimal look. I'll put it up over here so you guys can see it better though. But yeah, I really like this piece because gunmetal gray is one of my favorite colors, as you guys can see from the shirt and stuff too. That kind of neutral gray, which is why this is one of my new favorite pieces from Rose Gold and Black, man. Really like this one a lot. If you guys aren't interested in gunmetal though, they have a whole wide range of selections from silver, gold, and rose gold, of course. So you guys can check all of that out on their website. Additionally, because you guys are watching this video, if you guys go to the link in the description below, you guys will get 20% off your order as well as free shipping when you guys use that link. So don't forget to cop your stuff today from Rose Gold and Black, man. Anyway, guys, let's get into this mystery box now. $1,075, and we're just gonna jump right into it. Okay. I don't see any shoes without boxes, so that's kind of good. Also see a couple hype shoe boxes in here as well, but we'll save those for the last parts. But first things first, let's grab this one, man. Okay, this is definitely a replacement box. I was like, this is not a shoe box, man. What is this? But it says size 10, Yeezy 500, and it is a size 10. And this is the utility black colorway, so that all black. The Yeezy 500 model is one of my favorite Yeezys of all time, man. Really just a comfortable Yeezy, and one of the ones that I used to wear on the daily all the time. Does have a mix of different materials up here, which make it very comfortable, like mesh and leathers. And this Adiprene bottom is actually very, very comfortable. So I like this shoe a lot. It does look like it's been worn slightly, but nothing too crazy, you know. So I think this is a really good pair because the Yeezy 500s are actually a slept on model. A lot of people like these, and there's good resale on them. So good first shoe in my opinion. Not bad. So that will be on untitledway.com. You guys can go look over there to check it out. And I forgot to mention, when I'm filming this now, I'm realizing that tomorrow is actually the last day of the giveaway. So you guys still have time to enter if you guys want to enter the $500 dream shoe giveaway. And tomorrow, Saturday, is going to be the last day. So you guys will have time to enter if you guys go to that other video. I'll link it up here. Basically, all you have to do is subscribe to the channel, like this video, follow me on Instagram at untitledhawaii, and then also comment your dream shoe on that video. Do not do it on this video or it will not count. You have to go to the other video. I say that every time, and somebody's still gonna comment down here in this video, man. I already know. But yeah, good luck to you guys. That winner will be announced on the community tab of YouTube, which is why you guys need to subscribe to the channel so you guys know where the community tab is. Anyway, let's see what else we got over here. I see a Jordan 5 box, I want to guess. 6 box, actually. Okay, Jordan 6, size 10.5. And this one, I think this is a pair of chrome low 6s. I think that's what they're called. And this thing is actually very, very beat. Not good, not good. This is why they call it a beater box, man. There's some very used shoes in here. You can check this one out, though. Kind of disgusting. This looks like gum or something up here, so I'm not gonna touch that. But the suede looks pretty worn on the top over here. You guys can see the bottoms are discolored quite a bit. There is scuffing on the back heel, and over here, bottoms are obviously dirty from use. So definitely more of a beater kind of shoe. However, the colorway on this one is actually really clean. I know a lot of people don't really like the 6 lows, but still a solid shoe, and because it's a Jordan, it will fetch decent profit. So not bad right there. Next one out is a Nike Air Force One box. This one is a size 6Y, and it looks like it's Air Force One high. Oh, I don't know what this is called. I don't like this, man. I don't like this at all. And I think it's also worn, so this is gonna be a tough one to move for sure. It's not a bad look, I guess. It's just not really a look for me, but some people really like that wheat look. You guys can tell that it's been a little bit used, nothing too bad though. So not bad in terms of use. It's just I'm not sure how the market is for this one, but it really comes down to what just people like as a personal preference. I don't know. That's not for me though. All right, this box looks pretty beat up. What we got over here? This one is a Air Foamposites size 10.5, and for this one, okay, this is like, ooh, and it has a dog tag. Nice. Okay, so this is a pair of those camo Foamposites, man. A lot of people actually like this colorway a lot. Foamposites aren't really my thing, but I know this one has a lot of hype behind it. Like I said, it has that gray and silver camo kind of look on this one. It does look like it's not I mean, a little bit dirty, but you could pretty much just wipe off this dirt. It's not like it's stained or anything, so that's fine. Also, the bottoms are a little bit discolored, but that makes sense because I believe this shoe is from like 2012, maybe even earlier than that. Pretty nice right there. It's nice to have like those little extras. This one though, the box is kind of beat up, so that kind of ruins the value a little bit. All right, next up, whoa, this is a thin Converse, really? I think in 3 years of doing this, I've never seen a Converse box like ever in a beater box. I'm kind of worried. They're not very hyped. Oh no, what is this? What is this? What is this? What is this? Is this the Chinatown Market ones? Yeah, it's the Chinatown Market ones, okay. I mean, there's a little bit of hype behind these, but apparently this one, like when you guys wear it indoors or outdoors, depending on the amount of light, it does change color, which that's kind of cool, but I don't know, man. I don't really like it. Check it out over here. Like you guys see over here, it does say color changing when it is UV activated. So it turns like an orange color when you're outdoors, and then indoors it looks like this white. As I mentioned, this is from Chinatown Market, so you guys can see over here that logo. Overall, I mean, it is dead stock, so it's not too bad, but I don't think there's a lot of hype behind these things. I think a lot of people like me are not really big on Chinatown Market, so for now, they're not going to be very good resellers. 3 shoes left in here, guys. This is a really interesting box so far. This one is an older Jordan box, and it is a size 11.5 Jordan 13. Oh, wow, actually, this is a good shoe right here. So we got a pair of those new Ferrari yellows, man. This is actually kind of sick. I think this just came out last year, and I've never seen it close up, so this is kind of cool. I've never been a big fan of 14s, but for some reason, yellow is just a really attractive color to me. So this one's actually not too bad. It does look like it is slightly worn, which is unfortunate, but still not too bad condition. I mean, the uppers look fine. It's only from last year, so I wouldn't imagine there'd be like a lot of damage on this already. But I'm not sure how the market is on these things. I would still expect maybe like mid-hundreds for a used pair of these. I could be completely wrong, and it could be like a brick though. I'm pretty disappointed so far, guys. This is not looking good. We do have 2 shoes left though, so there's time to save the box. This one is a Jordan 11 though, and it is in a size 9.5. And I know what this colorway is, because for this one, we should have a pair of 72 and 10s, which we do. Is this not dead stock? So this is a pair of the Jordan 11 72 and 10s. One of the like most underrated Jordan 11s in my opinion. It really does have like a nice colorway to it, but a lot of people sleep on this one a lot. You guys can see that red Jumpman over here, which I think really stands out and gives the shoe a good pop. You guys can see this one is very, very clean, man. It does look like it was maybe tried on or worn once, because these soles actually look pretty darn clean, so that's good to see. Okay, now we have 1 shoe left over here, guys. I'm not feeling good about this box so far. You guys can see the counter over here. I can't see it until the end of the video, so I really have no idea what we're looking at, but in terms of what I just saw so far in the box, yeah, it doesn't look very hyped. I'm kind of sad, but I saw this box from the beginning, and I'm hoping that this one will save the day. Fingers crossed, guys. Let's see the last box. This last box in here is actually an off-white box. That's why it says swoosh over here. And oh no, what? Wait. Okay, maybe it's good. I can't tell. Size 6.5. Please be the original to 10. Please be the original to 10. Oh, okay, good. Okay, good. We got me worried over there, man. If it was that pink one, I would have been pissed. But we got the original 10, so that's not bad. These aren't super hyped, and there definitely are a lot better off-whites from the 10 collection, but I think these are still going for a decent amount of money. You guys can tell this one is used. The bottoms are quite dirty, but everything else on it doesn't look too bad. Doesn't look like anything is ripped, and there's nothing falling apart, so I think that's a good sign over here. Also, the foam and stuff isn't like breaking apart, which is good. So like this, it does look like it comes with the zip tie, so that's good. However, I think this one should be at least $400 or $500. I'm hoping maybe even more. But overall, box was okay. I mean, we can't expect too much heat, you know, in a $1,000 box, but overall, I would say it's not bad. That one is a lower tier box, which is weird because $1,000 is not cheap, but definitely not as crazy as like that $5,000 box we saw like just 2 weeks ago. It's all relative though, and definitely we'll be coming back again next week with an even better box, so stay tuned for that, guys. Anyway, like I mentioned, don't forget to enter the giveaway, man. It will be running until tomorrow. A dream shoe will be given away to somebody for up to $500 in value, man. Could be a Yeezy, could be a Jordan, whatever you guys want. It's your dream shoe, and I'm happy to give back to the Ohana, so that will be my gift to you guys in the month of February. Also, as a heads up to you guys, we do have some guests lined up to come onto the Beater Box series, so That will be happening either next week or the following week. It should be a lot of fun, man. I love it when people can share in the excitement with me and I can see like their reaction to certain shoes. So I really like that. If you guys want to see other collaborations, tag them down below. Let me know who you guys want to see on the show and I'll try my best to get them out here. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Check out Rose Gold and Black. They will be linked in the description below. As always, if you guys are new here, feel free to subscribe down below. Hit that like button if you guys enjoyed this video. And until next time, guys, stay humble, stay blessed, take care. I will see you on the next episode. Aloha. Shoots!